Hello students, I am Dr. Pradyumna Kumar Mahapatra, Professor Electronics and Communication Engineering, Vedang Institute of Technology. Now today we will discuss some more problems related to Karnaugh map. Previous class already I told you how to solve the Boolean expression using K-map. So this problems given the minimize the following expression using K-map. Already I told you how to solve the logic expression using K-map if the question is given either min terms or max terms. So if the combination of 1s gives the minimal product terms and combination of 0s gives the minimal product of sum terms. Here these examples, f of ABCD equal to the 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15. This 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 and 15. This is question number 1. What we will do? On respective decimal value, here the cells, there are 4 variables, there are 16 squares, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Already we know the position of the decimal value representation of a particular squares, and each square we can put the min terms. Here the question is given either min term given or max term given. But when we are going to find the minimal SOP, minimal sum of product, we have to combine the combination of 1s, means combination of product terms or min terms. So here the min terms is given and each position of the squares represent, we have to put the binary 1. In 0, we will put what? Either 1 or 0. 1 because these are min terms. In 0, that is 1. In 1, there is a 1 means here there is 1. 2, also 1. Then 5 is where? Here 5, 1. 7, here also 1. 8, 1. 9, here also 1. Then 10, then 13, here 13, then 15. Okay. So then how many how many min terms given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So we have perfectly placed min terms in respective squares. Then what we will do? Then grouping. It is very, very important. How will group? Or when you are going to grouping a min terms, first of all you will choose, if the quad is possible, select the quad instead of 2 pair. If octet is possible, means combination of 8 1s. Combination of 8 1s, then octet is you group, you choose octet rather than quad and pair. Here look at this 1 1, here also 1 1 1, like this. If this 1 1 1, I can form a quad. I can form a quad here. Here also this one and this one, I can form a quad also here. And this one, this one, this one, this one, I can form a quad over here. Because in each corner, if you already I told you, in each cell having 4 adjacent squares. 4 adjacent means this one, here this one, if you roll this one and here this one. 1, 2, 3, then 4. So this one having adjacent this one, and this one having adjacent this one, and this one adjacent having this one. If you roll like this one adjacent this one and one adjacent, this one adjacent, this one adjacent. So I will form a group. Means 4 corner form a 1 group, means quad. 4 1s form a 1 quad. This is your group 1. We will do more and more number of problems so that your concept will be clear. Okay. You have to cover up all 1s, means all product terms. The reductant group is avoided. Reductant group means what? Reductant group means suppose if I will combine this one, I can group also this one. This is also form a group. This is a quad. This one can be adjacent this one, this can be adjacent this one. This one is in what? 4 row in 1 column. This will be a quad. Then another 2 1 is left here. This 2 1. This 2 1 adjacent this one, I can form a group. I can form a group with what? This one. Are you clear or not? This two one I can make a pair also, but not if there is a two, another one is there already. Even though this two one is covered up with this group, this two one is covered with this group, no problem. If three one is previously covered, if there is only single one is, you can form a quad also. In a quad means what? We will form a 4-1s. If 4-1s form a quad. If 3-1s covered with other group, if one is left, using this 3-1, I can form a group. Okay. If we will group this one, let this is your group 1 and let this is your group 2. This is your group 2 and this is your group 3. Let this is your group 3. Group 3. Okay. This one, look at this, particularly this one can be combined with what? This one. Already this one is covered with what? This group. So this 2-1 and this 2-1 form a group. Okay. So these 4 corners form a group, that is your group 1 and this is your group 2 and this is your group 3. In quad already I told you, in 4 variable, if there is a quad, 2 variable will be reduced. So in group 1, what we will do? What we will get group 1? In group 1, what we will find in group 1? Look at these two group 1. This is your C bar D bar, this is your C D bar. This is your C bar D bar, this is your C D bar. Which is common here? D bar is common. In group 1, this red color marks in group 1, here we will find that your D bar is common. And here there is your what? B bar is common. That means the result in this red mark colors, group 1 gives you what? B bar, D bar. In this one you will get D bar common. In this one you will get B bar common. So in group 1 you will get what? Group 1, that is your B bar, D bar. Okay. Then come to group 2. Then group 2. Tell me what is group 2? Here this is your group 2. That is a C bar D common. This is a different. So in group 2 gives you what? C bar D. In group 2, that is what? C bar D. Similarly, in group 3, what will do? This is your group 3. This is group 2. This is your group 3. Okay. In group 3, this is your group 3. This is a quad. In the common is what? This is your C bar D, C D. The common is what? D. And here the common is what? The common is what? That is your B. That means this 4-1 gives you what? BD. That is your BD. Again. In remaining square, you can put 0s. So there is your 1, these are the 0. These are the 0. The question is given, the f of ABCD equal to this, to find the minimal sum of product. First of all, in 4 variable KMF, place the mean terms represented by binary 1 in respective squares represented by this Boolean function. After that, we will go for a grouping. In grouping, the largest group should be, the care should be taken. We will form a large group. If octet is possible, we will consider the octet rather than quad and pair. If quad is possible, we will select quad rather than pair. So here, if in a quad, if 3-1s, quad means what? Combination of 4-1s. Suppose 3-1s is grouping with another, previously it is grouping, it has already been grouping with other group. If except one is left, we can form a group with the the related to other group. Here, if you in this group, this one is already covered with this group, no problem. You can form a quad also. If you consider this quad, this one is 2-1 is already grouping with this one, this group. So using this 2-1 can be combined with a quad. So in 4 corner form a quad. in this one, that is your D bar. Here the combination is your common is D bar. Here in this one the common is your what? B bar. In the red mark colors form a group 1. In this one the D bar is common. This one, that is your B bar, common. In group 1 gives you B bar, D bar. Similarly group 2, this in group 2 green color mark, that is your group 2. In group 2 C bar D is common. This is different, that is your C bar D. In the yellow mark cover, that is your group 3. That is your group 3 means what? In here that is your A bar, B is common, and here that is your D is common. The resulting, that is your BD. So 3 quads, 3 group, and in each group reduce 2 variables. Till if you add all these 3, that is you will get the minimal sum of product. Therefore the minimal SOP, minimal sum of product, minimal SOP equal to कितने? Minimal SOP equal to B bar D bar plus C bar D plus BD. So this is your minimal SOP. Okay, come to the second examples. So same thing. So form a KMF, 4 variable KMF. A B C D. So C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar, A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar. Then you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you know the decimal value of particular squares, nothing is there is no need to write this one. For your understanding, I am writing here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In second example, one thing is given, that is a don't care. What do you mean by the don't care combinations? So here ABCD equal to 1, 3, 4, 6 given. 1 means here there is a mean terms, 3 is also mean terms, 4 is there is a mean terms, 6 also there is a mean terms, 8, again 9, then 11, 13, then 15. The mean terms are given. How many number of mean terms given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And another is don't care combination is given. What do you mean by the don't care combinations? Don't care combinations. Don't care combinations. First of all, you should know what do you mean by the don't care combination. So don't care combination, it is an unused combination. It is an unused combination. It is an unused combination. Unused combination. So don't care combination, what is the necessity of don't care combinations? So don't care combination, it is an unused combination. It can be represented by D or cross. So don't care combination, it can be represented by D or cross. Already I told you mean term or max terms. So mean term can be represented by 1 and max term can be represented by 0. But in case of don't care combinations, what is the necessity of don't care combinations? The don't care combination can be represented by D or cross, which helps to form a large group. Remember, we cannot form a group exclusively with don't care. Using D or using X, exclusively D or X, we can form a group. We can form a group if we are going to combine with mean terms, means combination of 1s. If there is a possibility of a octet, if there are 7 don't cares and single mean terms are there, I can form a group or you can form a group, maybe octet. Suppose there is an octet. Octet means 8 combinations. Octet means what? 8 combinations. 8 combinations. Suppose there are don't care combination can be represented by cross. Can be represented by cross. So 7 don't cares are given. If there is a one mean terms, I can form an octet. It is possible. But we cannot form a group exclusively with don't cares. We cannot form a group exclusively with don't cares. Okay, if single min terms are there or single max terms are there, we can form a group. So don't care helps to form a large group. Previously what? In previous example, grouping of 1s will give the minimal product terms. There are 3 quads are possible. In 3 quads means in 4 variable, each quad which reduce 2 variables. But in here this example, don't care combinations are here 0 to 14. Don't care you can represent by D or cross. In respective squares, in position 0, here position 0, there is a cross, means don't care. Another is a 2 is where? Here, there is a don't care. And 14 is where? 14 is here, there is a don't care. And except this one, remaining squares you can put 0, you can put 0 here. So here in this example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mean terms and 3 don't cares. That is your 9 mean terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First of all, you count. If by chance you miss one mean terms, your problem will be totally wrong. So 9 mean terms and 3 don't cares. That is a 3 don't cares. 9 plus 3, 12. Total out of 16 squares, 12 squares are engaged with mean terms and don't care, and remaining 4s are 0. There is your what? 1, 2, 3, and there is a 0 here. Okay. So you perfectly placed the mean terms and don't cares, and remaining squares we can put the 0. Then we will combine the mean terms along with the don't cares. We can form. There is not compulsory to every group with mean terms or don't cares. We can form a group with mean terms, or we can form with mean terms with don't cares. So don't care helps to form a large group here. So you look at this here. This one, if I will combine this don't care 2 and this is also, there is no adjacent 1 or 0. So you just left it, and I can form a group like this. I can form a group like this. I can form group like this, because this one, there is a one this is your this is nothing but a group 1. Group 1. This 1 can be combined with this one, and also you can group you can form this don't care and this don't care. You can form a group, or you can combine with this one. It is also possible. You can form a group, this one. Okay, this don't care and this 1 I can form a group, this one, and this 1 I can form a group with this one. Okay, or you can form group this one also. You can form a group this one also. This don't care, you can form a group this one also, and this one is left, and I can form a group adjacent of 1. Adjacent of 1 is like this. That means you can form a group this one. Okay, so sure there is no reductant group. Reductant group means what? Unnecessary group. Unnecessary group should be avoided. Unnecessary group should be avoided. So that is your, this is one group 1, this is your group, sorry, this is your group 2, and this is your group 1, this is your group 1, this is your group 1, and this is your group 3, and this is your group 4. Okay, so you should look carefully. The reductant group should be avoided. This don't care, two don't care. I can combine with these two don't care, can form a group with this quad. Okay, even though this 2 1 can be combined with this 2 1, this can form a quad, but this 2 1 is left out. So with this 2 1 I can form a quad. So there are 3 quad and 1 pair. So first group 1, what will get from group 1? Group 1, what we will get group 1? This is your group 1, this red color, this is your group 1, this one is your group 1. In group 1, here the common is what? B, and here the common is D. In group 1, this is your group 1, that is your BD. Then group 2, where is your group 2? This is your group 2. In group 2, what will this, the common is what? Here that is your A bar, this is your A bar, and here this is your what? That is your D bar. So A bar, D bar in this one. In group 2, here that is your A bar, and here that is your D bar. A bar, D bar, A bar, D bar, that is your group 2. In group 3, where is your group 3? This is your group 1, this is your group 2, and this is your group 3. In group 3, this is a quad. In group 3, there is A bar, B bar, and all are different. Group 3, that is your A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar. Then group 4, in group 4, what will do? What will get? Group 4, this is your pair. This particularly this one. In this one, it cannot, the adjacent is this one. Even though this one is covered up with this this group, you can form a pair, you can form a group with this one. So in this pair, you will get what? This your A, B bar is common. Here there is your what common is C bar. So in this pair, you will get A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. That is your group 3. So therefore the minimal sum of product, so minimal SOP, sum of product, equal to your what? BD plus A bar, D bar plus A bar, B bar plus A, B bar, C bar. This is your minimal SOP. Okay. So next another one is your question number 3. Your 3 variable K-map. Okay. In a 3 variable K-map, so construct 3 variable K-map in question number 3. Very easy. A, B, C. This is your B bar, C bar. The B bar, C. This is your BC, and this is your BC bar. This is your A bar, and this is your A. This is 0, this is 1. So 0, this is your 0, 0. This is your 0, 1. This is your 1, 1. This is your 1, 0. And decimal value you know. Here the position of that is 0. This is 1. This is your 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here 0, 1, 6, 7. Mean terms are in which position? 0, 1, 6, 7. Mean term 0, then 1, then 6, then 7. Then don't care 3, 4, 5. Don't care can be represented as a, you can put respective squares either D or cross. That is your 3, 4, 5. Where is your 3? 3. Where is your 4? Where is your 5? Like this. Okay. So already I told you, don't care helps to form a large group. We cannot form a group exclusively with don't cares. Here this 2 1, this is your what, and remaining that you can put 0. This 2 don't care helps to form a quad with these 2 main terms. So I can form a group. I can form a group quad with this one. This one is your group. This is your group 1. Remember. Again, this 2 1 can form a group. What? I can form a group with this one. Okay. This don't care. this don't care, you can left out, no problem. If you left one don't care, no problem, but don't care, you have to cover up either all the mean terms. If it is possible, if it is possible to form a group, you have to combine all mean terms along with the don't care, or you can form a group exclusively with, you can form a group don't care with mean terms, or you can form all the mean terms, or you cannot form a group exclusively with don't cares. So in these examples you will find two quads. This is your group 1 and this is your group 2. This is your group 2. In group 1, what you will get from group 1? In group 1, this is your group 1, green color mark is your group 1. Group 1, that is your A is common, all are different, the value is A. Group 1, remember, in a quad means 2 variable is reduced, since it is a 3 variable KMF, in a quad means 2 variables should be reduced. So out of 3 variable, 2 value reduced means you will get only 1 variables, so that is your only A, all are different. In this group we will obtain that is only A. In then group 2, in group 2 what we will get? In group 2, here the common is what? Here the common is, that is your B bar is common, here A bar plus A is 1, it will be 1, and this is your only B bar. In group 2 gives you group 2, that is your B bar. Therefore minimal SOP, minimal sum of product equal to A plus B bar. Okay, so again we will do more and more number of problems, so that your concept will be clear. So how to form a group with don't cares. Okay, so next class or coming class we will do more and more number of problems. So thank you.